I would not be getting the degree without the scholarship. We've got 2 track shooters and a girl that plays tennis and is going to culinary school. I got one that runs track, one that runs cross country, paying for running shoes and tennis rackets. It definitely frees up some money. I paid for my first year out of pocket. I was just going to get as much education in welding as I could pay for semester by semester. I didn't think I would get a degree. I thought I was just going to come and do the MIG welding, the TIG welding, and the stick welding, and then go home with some certificates. But since I got the scholarship, I knew that I could go on and enroll in some book classes and could actually get a degree rather than certificates for welding. I was sending everybody I knew the screenshot where I got a $3,600 scholarship, because that's, you know, I was figuring for $1,500 maybe, but that is a lot of money. That's gonna pretty much fully pay for 2 semesters. I'm glad my kids are getting to see me here and working, and I do my homework at home, and so they get to see me do all that, and you know, it's a good example for them. I can come to school and I can go to bed at night feeling a lot better that this is just paid for.